Hello and welcome to the Basics of Tunisian Crochet. I'm Sarah. Today I'm showing you how to increase in Tunisian crochet. There are several useful ways to do so, all in the forward pass of a row, while the return pass is usually performed as a standard return pass. Now I have worked a couple of rows in Tunisian simple stitch, starting from a foundation row. And so let's begin. So I start working in Tunisian simple stitch by inserting the hook under the first vertical bar. And now I show you the first increase method, which is the yarn over method. So to increase, simply yarn over and then proceed working the pattern as usual in Tunisian simple stitch. And this is my increase. Then the second method is the full stitch increase. To increase, insert the hook in the space between vertical bars here and under the main horizontal bar, like this, as in Tunisian full stitch or goblin stitch. This is my increase. And then you proceed working the pattern as usual. Okay, the third method is the so-called horizontal bar method. To increase, insert the hook under the next vertical bar and under the first of the two top loops forming the main horizontal bar, this one, then yarn over and pull up a loop on the hook. Now to increase, you need to work in the same stitch twice, so you just work under the vertical bar of the very same stitch, yarn over and pull up a loop on the hook. And this is my increase. Then you proceed working the pattern as usual. Next is the back bump method. To increase, insert the hook under the back bump of the next stitch. Now this is the next vertical bar. If you just turn it like this, you immediately see where the back bump is. It's this one. So insert the hook under it, yarn over, pull through and up on the loop. Now work in the very same stitch by inserting the hook under the vertical bar of that stitch, yarn over and pull up a loop on the hook. And this is my increase. And then you proceed working your pattern as usual. Next is the back and front bar method. To increase, insert the hook going from front to back under the back bar of the next stitch, which is right behind the front bar, the vertical bar. So you grab it with your hook, bring it to the front, like this, yarn over, and pull up a loop on the hook. Now you need to work in the same stitch twice in order to be able to increase. So work under the vertical bar, the front bar of that very same stitch, and pull up a loop on the hook. And this is my increase. And then you proceed working the pattern as usual. So now I will complete my forward pass and I will proceed with my return pass, and then I will show you how the sample looks after all these increases, so that we can compare the different kinds of increases. So I'll see you there. So here we are. As you see, I have added a row in Tunisian simple stitch. So let's see where our increases are. So this is my yarn over increase. This is the full stitch increase. As you see, it is the most visible one of all. Then I have the horizontal bar increase, the back bump increase, which is my favorite one, as you see, because it's really almost invisible, together with the yarn over increase. And then we have the back and front bar increase. Okay, so that's it. You choose the method you prefer. As you see, they are all rather simple, and this is how they look.